Welcome to our tutorial on how to add an announcement group in WhatsApp community to your favorite list. This feature, recently updated, allows you to quickly access important community announcements. Let's dive into the simple steps to make this happen. First, open your WhatsApp app. You'll see the familiar green icon on your home screen. Tap it to launch the application. Once you're in WhatsApp, look at the bottom of your screen. You'll notice a Communities tab. It's represented by an icon that looks like 3 people grouped together. Tap on this tab to access your communities. Now you'll see a list of all the communities you're a part of. Scroll through and find the specific community that contains the announcement group you want to add to your favorites. Tap on the community to open it. Inside the community, you'll see various groups, including the announcement group. This is where admins share important updates with all community members. To add it to your favorites, simply long press on the announcement group. Don't let go just yet. A menu will pop up with several options. Look for Add to List and tap on it. Another small window will appear, showing different list options. Choose Favorites from this pop-up window. Finally, tap Done to confirm your selection. And there you have it. The announcement group is now added to your favorites list. By adding the announcement group to your favorites, you'll be able to access important community updates more quickly. This is especially useful if you're part of multiple communities and want to stay on top of crucial information. Remember, you can repeat this process for any other groups or chats you want quick access to. It's a great way to organize your WhatsApp and prioritize your communications. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful WhatsApp tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and happy chatting.